Second D is distinctive or different, right? So now it's a very competitive marketplace. Savan, how many copywriters are there? How much is your competition? Khalil ji, how many Python trainers are there? Sukumar ji, whatever you do consultant, how many business consultant or train the trainer, or these are marketing companies who give work to trainers. How much is your competition? Are you the only one doing it in this world? Many, right? Then the question is, how will you stand outside? How will you stand differently? How will you stand distinctively in this marketplace? Right? Do you want to be the one, the golden one, right? So what makes you stand out uniquely in the marketplace? You need to know that as well, because only that, along with your passion, in alignment to your purpose and profession, right? When you discover your why, okay, you move ahead and you become distinctively different in the marketplace, right? So the next question that you need to ask is, how will I stand uniquely in the marketplace? What will make me unique in this marketplace? Okay. Do you agree you are unique in the marketplace with the way you teach, with your acquired skills and expertise and experience, which you have invested years of your life doing that? How many of you believe you are unique here? How many of you believe you have some unique offering for your unique insights, unique experience, experiential insights, wisdom in that we can really get someone job ready, get someone skilled so they get promotions, okay? Give some life hacks, mindset shifts, so they can live a better quality life, or they can handle life situations well. They can overcome the emotional trauma, depression that they are going through, or they can score well in subjects, clear competitive exams, okay, easily, effortlessly, without taking any stress. Why do they want to clear NEET exam? You said you're a physics teacher. Why do they want to clear the NEET exam? Why do they want to score well in the new NEET exam? Just like that. What is it that they are expecting after clearing the NEET exam? Okay, so that is one more D. We will talk about it later. I touched upon it a little earlier. Okay, so Indrani believes she is unique, but are you able to communicate how you are unique? Now, this is the problem, right? If you don't know how to communicate your uniqueness, right, then you are just one other chartered accountant. You are just one other lawyer. Yeah. So this is okay. So I am giving you my years of experience in this session. There is a way. Okay. You have to go through my course, which you have already got. It will clarify a lot of your thing. And if you really want to figure all these out, okay, you will, there is a next level course that I have created. I'll make an offer for that. Okay. Otherwise you have everything in that complete course itself. Okay. So there is a way. Of course, there is a way. There are people who are working with me here. There is a way to figure that out. And I'm going to now, I'm just not going to hold anything. Okay. So we are covering all of it. Hold on. Everything is coming in. Okay. So you know what makes you unique? Your own story of transformation makes you unique. Your mess becomes if your mess is your message. Okay, I was in some program where I heard this statement and it really resonated. It helped me decide which course I should be creating first. Okay, so what was my mess when I was trying to become a speaker? I didn't know that what I know, how can I convert into a course? That was my number one challenge. When I learned that, when I was delivering my program, I was not getting necessary conversions. I spent over 2 lakhs to do an offline program in Bangalore. Over 120 people turned up. Okay. And I got only one sale. Not only sale, it was just a token amount given. Okay. One sale. People enjoyed my program. Everything went on great. And I'm an entrepreneur. Don't forget that. So I know how to sell and market. But still, in the personal branding page, in the knowledge business page, those fundamentals were not working. Okay. There is a very different approach to conversion. See, conversion strategies, how you convert your leads and prospect into customers, a very different approach. And then closing. How do you close your program? Closing is how many sales have happened, right? So very different approach, right? So what makes you unique? Right now, when I was struggling to do, but I was action taking and I was investing, I had put lots of money. I signed up for a high ticket program, which was 3.5 lakhs way back in 2017. Then I did offline program preview seminar, which costed me around 2 lakhs. I've explained all of that in that KDM foundation course. Okay. You must go through that course. I don't want to repeat what I already said in the recorded video, but the point here is your mess is your message. Your victim to warrior story, your zero to hero story makes you unique, because you have gone through certain challenges yourself, and you have gone through that grind to overcome that. And now you have some insights, experiential insights, which can help others. That's how you build your knowledge business, not with reading books. Okay, not with reading books or going through programs and copying their content as it is and delivering. Then that business is not sustainable. Okay, and you can't make yourself distinctive in the marketplace, right? So your stories, the why is also associated to your story. Why is it important for you to get sincere students? Why is it important for you to be a sincere teacher? Somewhere in your life, either you did not get a sincere teacher, because of which your career got impacted. Somewhere in your life, you got a great sincere teacher, because of which you have grown in life, and you want to be that teacher for many more people, right? So that why, the why always ends up with your story, and that's how you also become unique. You become distinctive in the marketplace, because there are people who resonate with your story. That you always have people of your energy, your vibe, that will resonate with your story.